Honorable Additional Secretary, Ministry of Steel, Srimati Rasika Chaubeji, senior members on the dais, government officials, industry, and friends. A very good morning to everyone present here. It is my privilege to address this esteemed gathering. I will start by congratulating everyone for bringing the vision of the first ever global stainless steel expo to life. We are all aware that the metal sector has been performing way below its potential for the last several years. With the gradual revival of the market since the last few quarters, our industry is finally looking up. The purpose of any industry is to solve the pertinent problems of the society. Rapid development in the world is leading to rapid depletion of resources, and when this development is not environmentally sustainable, the global ecosystem comes under further pressure. This is exactly the problem we are here to solve today. All of us sitting here are contributors to the green tomorrow of not just India, but also of the world. Our job is to empower global development with this metal that is completely recyclable, inherently hygienic, and corrosion resistant, and requires the least maintenance for longer periods of time when compared to other alternatives. It is our responsibility to ensure that this metal is at the forefront of charting India's new future in conventional and new age applications alike. Considering the criticality of stainless steel in nation building, focusing on increase in per capita consumption and expanding the applications of stainless steel are the obvious means to achieve this end. However, there are nuances that need to be addressed along this journey. Firstly, we need to reinstate our focus on becoming the global leaders in energy efficient stainless steel production, with sustainability as a key tenet in our future decisions. Secondly, we need to aim for carbon neutrality and for net zero carbon emissions by 2070 in line with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision. And thirdly, we need to improve our cost competitiveness while focusing on growth in the domestic and international sectors alike. These are not just issues for any one manufacturer to tackle, but for the entire industry to come together and address. The Stainless Steel Vision 2047, which will soon be released by Srimati Rasika Chaubeji, is based on the extensive research done by CRISIL and supported by ISDA. It will serve as our trusted advisor on the specific ways in which we can achieve these objectives. On a policy front, I would like to applaud the Steel Ministry's vision to make India completely Atmanirbhar for value-added products in steel and stainless steel. We are also thankful to the Ministry for various initiatives like the National Steel Policy, the focus on scrap recycling, quality control order, etc. The industry looks forward to continued support from the government for achieving the Stainless Steel Vision 2047. Indian stainless steel producers have adequate capacities and globally acclaimed quality production capabilities to meet the growing needs of the Indian subcontinent. However, this calls for policy initiatives to be aimed at promoting open and fair competition, thus enabling a level playing field for the domestic manufacturers vis-à-vis the imports. As manufacturers, our focus should not be on capacity enhancement only, but also on consistent innovations aimed at quality improvement in our offerings. Simultaneously, sustained efforts need to be made towards digital interventions across the entire value chain for us to be forerunners in adopting Industry 4.0 in the stainless steel industry. We need to invest in R&D and innovation to develop technologies that will help solve the generic problems of our society and the specific problems of our industry as well. When it comes to the goal of net zero carbon emissions, the stainless steel industry will have to play a two-pronged role. One, we have to invest in infrastructure that fulfills the environment, social and governance responsibilities and supports the usage of various renewable energy sources. Two, we need to be prepared to support the thriving demand for production and transportation of new age energy solutions like green hydrogen and ethanol by augmenting our capacities and logistical capabilities. Strengthening education and skill building will also be instrumental in creating a future-ready workforce that will be able to support the growth that we're envisioning for our industry. All these efforts combined will catalyze the overall improvement of the stainless steel ecosystem while strengthening the three pillars of sustainability, that is people, planet, and profits. Over 5 decades ago, our founder, my grandfather, Shri O.P. Jindal, embarked on a journey to bring about a Swadeshi revolution that would make India self-reliant in its needs for industrial solutions. Through sustained efforts, the past years have witnessed the transition of India's stainless steel industry from being import dependent to becoming Atmanirbhar across various sectors. Equipped with a diversified end-to-end product portfolio comprising of more than 120 plus stainless steel grades in all series, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, smart automation tools, Jindal Stainless has successfully created a 360-degree channel to reach out to all our customer segments across the world. We are also now gearing up to meet the special demands of emerging new sectors and new age applications like green hydrogen, ethanol, aerospace, nuclear. Jindal Stainless has curated an initiative also called the Stainless Academy to advocate and popularize the usage and benefits of stainless steel. Focusing on future decision makers, we have partnered with 11 leading institutions like IITs to curate a course on stainless steel. We have signed MOUs with educational bodies like NIFTEM to promote the metal's usage in food applications, and with HSBTE for introducing the course on stainless steel in 41 polytechnics across Haryana, and we are also making similar efforts to do the same in Odisha. We have fabricated 4 stainless steel showcase vans that traverse the length and breadth of the country, displaying various applications of stainless steel. One is also there in the cafeteria. Equipped with fabrication tools and supported by government bodies like Ministry of Steel under Ispati Irada and Skill India by National Skill Development Corporation, these vans educate the customers on one hand and train fabricators on the other. I am happy to share that about 12,000 fabricators across the nation have benefited from these trainings, and it's an ongoing process. We are also committed to skill enhancement across downstream industries in partnership with NSDC. It's a proud moment for the Indian industry that India's first stainless steel foot-over bridge was inaugurated recently in Naupada, Andhra Pradesh, with Jindal Stainless as the supplier of its complete stainless steel requirement. We are doing all of this while fulfilling our founder's vision of being responsible corporate citizens, working relentlessly in the fields of women empowerment, education, skill development, healthcare, environment sustainability, community development. We are also overtly aware and committed to our responsibility to support our MSME partners. And hence, we are working relentlessly towards the development and upliftment of the entire ecosystem. Today, it is up to all of us sitting here to make India the manufacturing superpower it deserves to be. I conclude by thanking my industry counterparts for this collaborative effort of creating a stainless India. Thank you. Jai Hind.